everyone. Welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today, we're learning already, yet, and still, so you can sound natural when you talk about time, progress, and expectations.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point. Already, yet, and still are small words, but they change the feeling of your sentence.
They help you express timing and emotion like surprise, impatience, or satisfaction.
The problem is that learners often mix them or they place them in the wrong spot.
Or they use one word when the situation needs another.
Today, we'll make it simple.
You will learn meaning, placement, and the natural situations where each one shows up.
We'll do it in a very practical way.
Real conversations, texting, work situations, and quick fixes.
No fill in the blank.
No boring drills.
Here is the basic feeling.
Already means it happened sooner than expected, or it's done.
Yet means it hasn't happened, but you expect it to happen.
Still means it continues longer than expected, or it hasn't changed.
Perfect. Now we will start with already because it's the easiest to feel.
Let's do it. Already often means something is done sooner than expected, or the status is complete.
It can also show mild surprise.
Example, I already finished my homework.
That can mean I'm done and maybe you didn't expect it so fast.
Another, we're already here.
Meaning we arrived maybe earlier than expected.
Placement. Already usually goes in the middle of the sentence.
Meaning after the subject and before the main verb.
I already ate. She already left. They already called.
With be, already goes after be.
I am already ready. We are already late.
Already ready is funny but real.
In questions, already often shows surprise.
Have you already finished?
Are you already leaving?
Now, already can also appear at the end for emphasis.
I finished already.
That exists, but it can sound less natural in some contexts. Middle position is safest.
Now let's put already in a friend conversation.
Because that's where you really feel the emotion. Did you eat?
Yeah, I already ate.
Already? It's so early.
I know, I was starving.
Did you watch the episode?
I already watched it.
Of course you did.
That is natural. Already adds the idea of earlier than expected.
Great. Now let's move to yet, because yet is very common in negatives in questions. Yet means it has not happened, but you expect it to happen.
It often carries a feeling of waiting.
Most common placement, yet goes at the end of the sentence.
I haven't eaten yet. She hasn't replied yet. They haven't arrived yet.
Yet is very common with present perfect.
I haven't finished yet. He hasn't called yet.
But you can also use it with simple present in casual speaking.
He isn't here yet. I don't know yet.
In questions, yet asks if something has happened.
Have you finished yet? Did they answer yet? Are you ready yet?
Now, the key emotional point. Yet suggests the speaker expects it to happen soon.
Or the speaker is checking the status.
A common misunderstanding is using already in a negative.
Like, I didn't eat already. That sounds wrong.
The natural phrase is, I haven't eaten yet.
Another common thing, yet can also mean so far, up to now, in a different structure.
Like, it's the best movie yet.
That's more advanced, but it's real English.
Now we'll practice yet with a realistic situation, waiting for someone, waiting for a message, waiting for results.
The most common real-life scenarios.
Did she text you?
Not yet.
Did you send the email?
Not yet. I'll do it now.
Not yet is a complete answer in English.
Super common and very natural.
Great. Now we move to still.
Still is powerful because it expresses continuation and sometimes frustration. Still means something continues or something has not changed.
It often shows that the speaker expected a change by now.
Example, I'm still working.
That means you expect it to be finished, but you are not.
Example, he still lives in the same city.
Meaning he hasn't moved.
Placement, still usually goes in the middle, similar to already.
I still need help. She still wants to go. They still don't understand.
With be, still goes after be.
I'm still tired. He is still here.
Still is common in positive and negative sentences.
I still haven't heard back.
That is very common. It means you are waiting and it hasn't happened.
Now, still can also be used for contrast.
It was difficult, but I still did it.
That's like, despite the difficulty, you did it.
Now let's hear still in a normal friend conversation.
This is where it becomes natural. Are you at work?
Yeah, I'm still at work.
Still? It's late.
I know, the meeting is still going on.
Did you fix your phone?
No, it's still broken.
Oh no. Are you still using it anyway?
Yes, I'm still using it.
Great. Still shows continuation.
Now we need to compare the three words side by side because that's where learners get clarity.
Let's compare them with the same situation.
Imagine you are waiting for a reply.
Already. She already replied.
It happened and may be faster than expected.
Yet. She hasn't replied yet.
It hasn't happened, but you expect it.
Still. She still hasn't replied.
It hasn't happened and now it feels longer than expected.
That difference is huge in real communication.
Already is often positive or surprised, yet is neutral waiting. Still can feel slightly frustrated.
Another situation. Food.
I already ate.
I haven't eaten yet.
I'm still eating.
Perfect. Another situation. Leaving.
Are you leaving?
I already left.
Are you leaving yet?
I'm still here.
Now the placement reminder.
Now, already and still usually go in the middle, yet usually goes at the end.
Now we do a combined conversation with texting and work because this is where people use these words constantly.
And you will see how natural they are.
Texting conversation. Fast and real.
Listen for short replies like already and not yet.
Hey, are you on your way?
I'm already outside.
Already? That was fast.
I left early.
Did you buy the tickets?
Not yet. I'll do it now.
Please do, because the cheaper seats might disappear. Did you send the message to Sarah?
I already sent it.
Great. Did she answer?
Not yet.
And then time passes.
She still hasn't answered.
Okay, maybe she's busy.
I'm still waiting.
That's a perfect use.
Now a work scenario.
It's very common to ask status updates.
Have you finished the report yet?
I'm still working on it.
Okay, let me know when it's done.
I already finished the first part.
Great. Are you still stuck on the charts?
Yes, I'm still stuck.
That's natural workplace English.
Great. Now we will give quick fixes for the most common mistakes without making it feel like an exam. Quick fixes, the most common errors and the natural versions.
Short and practical.
Mistake, I didn't do it already.
Natural. I haven't done it yet.
Or, I still haven't done it if you want to show it feels late.
Mistake. I'm yet here.
Natural, I'm still here.
Or I'm already here if you arrived.
Mistake, did you finish already?
That can be correct, but it expresses surprise.
If you mean a normal status check, say, did you finish yet?
Mistake. I'm still finished.
Natural, I'm already finished.
Or I'm done already, but already finished is safer.
Mistake, she already didn't call.
Natural. She hasn't called yet.
Or she still hasn't called.
Mistake. Yet goes in the middle. I yet haven't seen it.
Natural, I haven't seen it yet.
Great. Now we will give you a clean set of natural sentence patterns you can reuse in real life.
Not blanks, just ready to use phrases.
Here are natural patterns you can reuse.
Think of them as speaking blocks.
Pattern 1. Already in the middle.
I already sent it. We already paid. She already knows.
Pattern 2. Yet at the end.
I haven't heard back yet. He isn't here yet. Are you ready yet?
Pattern 3. Still in the middle.
I still need time. She still wants to go. They still don't understand.
Pattern 4. Still plus negative.
I still haven't finished. She still hasn't replied.
That's extremely common.
Pattern 5. Short answers.
Already. Not yet.
Still working on it.
Pattern 6, the emotional add-ons.
I already did it, so we're good.
I haven't done it yet, but I will.
I still haven't done it. I'm sorry, I'd been busy.
Notice how the word changes the feeling.
That is why these are so important for sounding natural.
Great, now we end with a practice plan that uses your real life, not fake sentences.
And then our standard ending. Practice plan. 3 minutes a day.
And it will change how you speak.
Step 1. Think of 3 areas of your life: messages, work or study, and plans.
Step 2. For each area, say one sentence with already, one with yet, and one with still.
Messages.
I already replied. I haven't replied yet. I still haven't replied.
Work or study.
I already finished the first part. I haven't finished yet. I'm still working on it.
Plans.
I'm already on my way. Are you ready yet? I'm still getting ready.
Step 3. Record yourself saying them naturally, like you're talking to a friend.
And listen to your rhythm. That helps you place the word correctly.
Step 4. Use one of these words in a real message today.
Just one. It builds the habit.
Great! Now let's do the final recap in a clean, simple way.
And then we close.
Final recap. Already means it happened earlier than expected or it is done.
Already usually goes in the middle of a sentence. I already ate. We already left.
Yet means it hasn't happened, but you expect it.
Yet usually goes at the end. I haven't eaten yet. Have you finished yet?
Still means it continues or it has not changed.
Still usually goes in the middle. I'm still here. She still lives there.
Still plus negative is very common.
I still haven't heard back. She still hasn't replied.
That's extremely common.
If you want neutral weighting, use yet.
If you want a feeling of longer than expected, use still.
If you want the feeling of done sooner, use already. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment, what's your biggest difficulty in English right now, and what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.